Hi, Terrence here, and today we'll go through how to bring in new shapes and how to manipulate them in Tinkercad. Let's get started. Let's drag the solid box onto the work plane and we'll notice smaller white and black squares on the edges of the box. The black and white squares that we see around the objects are called shape handles. Dragging them will allow us to change shape and size of our object. These two black handles right here will allow us to scale our box in the X direction, which is the width of the box. These two black handles here, one in the front and one at the back, will allow us to scale in the Y direction, which is the depth. And this white handle at the top allows us to scale in the Z direction, which is the height. The four white handles at the corner will allow us to scale our box on the X and Y axes simultaneously. Holding down the Shift key and dragging any of the handles will allow us to uniformly scale the shape. We'll also notice a tiny black cone on top of our object. This arrow icon allows us to move the object along the Z axis. This is particularly useful if we want to stack shapes on top of each other. We can also rotate the object by clicking on the curved arrows located around the object. By left-clicking and holding on the curved arrows, we can manipulate our object to the desired angle. If we want to rotate the object in increments of 45 degrees, we can hold the Shift key while rotating our object. Clicking on an object will give us a menu located at the right side of your screen. This menu allows us to further customize our shape. In this case, I can change the radius of our square to make it rounder. We could also change the steps of our shape to make it look more polygon. We can also change the length, width, and height by moving the slider bars. At the top of this menu, we are also able to change the color of our shape. There are a lot of shapes to choose from, and some will even allow us to customize our shapes, like the scribble shape. We can also type in words by using the text shape. There are a lot more shape options to choose from if you click on the drop-down menu here. Tinkercad also has a community that sometimes allows us to make a copy of an object to build on. We can do this by clicking on the Gallery button located near the top right corner of the main page. From here, we'll see a lot of projects that have been done and shared by Tinkercad's community. Clicking on a project that has the blue Copy and Tinker button will allow us to make a copy and build upon it. That does it for a quick lesson in shape manipulation in Tinkercad. Make sure you give all the shape translation tools a try and see what you can make. If you have any questions, then please feel free to comment down below. That's all from me today, and I'll see you in the next video.